NDH Service, a basic filter PM is more than just changing filters. It's a process to keep the system running smoothly. It starts with communication. We check in with the mall management, sign in, and get the latest site map. After security grants us access to the roof, our technicians begin to pull up tools and materials to the rooftop. Once we locate the units, we install a label for future reference and identification. We sign and date the filters, we flush the drain lines, we take pictures of all the electrical components, check the belts. Inside the store, we verify the airflow by checking out the return and supply grills. We test the system's operations from the thermostat to ensure everything is running properly. Finally, we check out with the store manager and leave you with a peace of mind and a detailed report of everything we inspected. Give us a call today.